Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these plug plants that have arrived. They are, oops, dropping one, 2 seconds, get this one picked back up. They are, as you can see there, Fuchsia's Giant Marbled collection from left to right, AB Giant 7th Heaven, Giant Holly's Beauty, Giant Peachy, Giant Deep Purple and Giant Springtime. Yeah, so all we're going to be doing with these is getting them, potting them up into these 9cm pots. So let's get cracking. Let's get this set up properly. Sorry about this, folks. Let's go. That should be alright. I'm using a peat-based compost. Also got some feed in it. All you need to do is fill your pot up like so. Give it a good tap down. Get your plug plant. Use your fingers. Nice little hole there. Firm it in. Give it another good tap down. And that's it. That's how you pot them on. These are going to be for my hanging baskets, which I can't wait to use. I'm not going to label them because I've got it recorded what they are. As soon as they stop flowering, I'll be able to tell then. So, here's another one. Give it a good tap down. Nice fingers. There we go. Once you get some of these, as long as you've got a heated greenhouse, you see, you can take cuttings and you've got fuchsias then for the rest of your life, sort of thing. So these ones special offer. I got these from Thompson and Morgan. I don't know how much I paid for them, but they weren't expensive. So, yeah, tap down again. All in the middle. Like so. Turn it round. Another tap down. And all you do once that's done, give them a good water like so. Somewhere nice and warm and well lit, and should grow on beautifully. And these will be ready for my hanging baskets in a few weeks. So that's how to pot on fuchsias. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you. Bye.